Salut, c'est Nishi. Hello, this is Nishi. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to conjugate the verb avoir in present tense. It's one of the most important verb in French, so I would like you to watch this tutorial till end. If you didn't subscribe yet, consider subscribing my channel as I upload new tutorial for you every week. Okay, the verb avoir means to have. It's an auxiliary verb and is one of the most powerful verbs in French. It will also help you to talk about the past. That is, we need this verb conjugation in present tense to conjugate in past tense. Okay, then let's see how to conjugate this verb in present tense. J'ai, I have. J apostrophe, as AI start with a vowel. J'ai. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. On a, one has or we have. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ont, elles ont, they have. One more time, and this time please repeat after me. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Now about pronunciation. There are some liaisons. Here, on a, nous avons, vous avez, and here, ils ont, elles ont. Maybe you have already know that what is liaison, or maybe not. If not, liaison is a link between two words, where the first word ends with a consonant and the second one starts with a vowel or an H. In liaison, the final consonant of the first word no longer remains silent. We pronounce them. Like here, on a. Generally, it's on. N is silent, right? But with the A, which is a vowel, we made liaison here. That is, we are pronouncing the N. On a. And sometimes, final consonants in liaison change pronunciation. Like nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. You can hear that I am not pronouncing the final consonants, which are S, like S. They get changed. All of them are sounding like Z sound. This is because when S comes before a vowel, it sounds like Z sound. Nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Okay? Now, examples. Let's see some sentences using this verb. J'ai trois sœurs. I have 3 sisters. Elle a un chat. She has a cat. Ils ont une maison. They have a house. Another example. Ils ont fait la vidéo. They made the video. You can see that here this sentence is in the past. That is, we used this verb avoir to make sentences in past tense. One more thing to know that we use this verb to say our age. In French, we don't use to be verb, that is être, to say our age. For example, like if you want to say, I'm 50 years old. It's not je suis 50 ans. It's incorrect. We have to say j'ai 50 ans. That is using the verb avoir. Okay, now let's quickly revise the verb avoir conjugation in present tense. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this tutorial, give a thumbs up, and if you have any question, comment below. Avianto, au revoir. Bye bye.